Pixel 7 Pro cracked glass. First in the world, we are going now to refurbish this display with a new glass. And they finally arrived. We have in here the glass just with OCA on the back. And my man Amo will do the repair now. I will show you how we separate the glass in the frame and install the new glass to make a full working display again. Google Pixel 7 Pro, let's go! So first up, we are checking the function of the old display. This has just a fine crack on the top and all over the place. So we are checking the touches at the moment working fine. And basically we will cut the corners and then we are going to heat up the phone to get with the wire between the glass and the OCA, and this we will show you now. Next step is we need to remove the panel from the frame. We are using a small plastic piece and isopropanol, alcohol, and we are heating up the device as before and starting from the corner on the left side. Always use small drops of alcohol to remove the glue. So heat together with the glue will help us to get the panel out without damaging the panel. The panel is very flexible. These OLED panels are more easy to handle than before. But anyway, always be careful. Same step from the other side. So left side and right side are already lifted up. We have as well some glue in between, in the middle. But as you can see, now it pops up pretty easy. Removing the last adhesive tape on the side, and that's it. So we remove the glass and now we remove the panel from the frame. That's separation in the housing, let's say. We are going to clean now the OLED panel. That's important to have no dust or no pieces of glue on it. And yeah, the glass is already pre-installed with OCA, so it will be just the alignment of the panel and the glass. We're doing a hand alignment because there is at the moment no tool on the market for the 7 Pro to adjust the glass with the OLED panel, but we do it usually like this. With a little bit of training, it's easy done. We are showing our settings. We are using temperature of 45, vacuum time of 50, and the pressure, the holding pressure about 15 seconds. Okay, let's see the result. Of course, we are putting it afterwards now in the bubble remover, and then all the bubbles will be going away. Okay guys, the bubbles are removed. The result is pretty awesome. We have no bubbles left, and we will show you now the touch function is still working. We connect the display for a test again. Touch is working fine. Perfect result. So next step is we are going to install the display with a new adhesive tape, and then we have repaired Google Pixel 7 Pro. Google Pixel 7 Pro glass replacement, first in the world. We hope so, because today we received the glass and we tried to be as fast as possible. We had already a customer waiting for his new Pixel 7 Pro display. The result's pretty awesome. If you like, please hit the subscription button or send a like or write a comment below the video. We try to answer all your questions. And that's it. That's the result. We're pretty happy, and see you next soon. We are out.